There's something magical about the allure of hidden treasures, especially when it's a precious jewel. Crystal Lake, nestled in the heart of Wianno in Osterville on Cape Cod, is one such rare jewel. Surrounded by private property, this enchanting lake remains a well-kept secret, known only to a fortunate few. Hello, I'm Jack Cotton of Sotheby's International Realty here in Osterville on Cape Cod. Rowing across the lake, my oars glide through the crystal clear waters. The gentle splash of each stroke reveals the lake's timeless beauty, just as its name suggests. Another extraordinary gem awaits in the form of a 0.72-acre lot at 207 Crystal Lake Road. This property offers a private dock large enough for 2 Adirondack chairs, perfect for savoring the spectacular southern views. Blocked by the winter northerly winds, this is a perfect respite year-round. With expansive vistas and direct access to the lake, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to create your dream home on a site that truly embodies the essence of Cape Cod living. The existing residence is a placeholder, awaiting your vision to create something extraordinary. Almost anything is possible on this rare and captivating lakefront property, from an architectural masterpiece to a serene waterfront sanctuary. Just steps to Nantucket Sound and moments from the village center, this is a truly exceptional Wianno, Osterville, Cape Cod offering.